Can you see that? What is up people, badass bullet here baby. So as you can see, this is a Pulsar rs200. It doesn't have a center stand. So what do you do? How do you lube it? I mean, how do you lube the chain? So let's get started. So this is my friend Pritesh's bike who's struggling hard from a week to lube the chain. So now we've got a solution. So guys, all you need is a chain lube. It's a Motul chain lube and it costs approximately 500 rupees. And a chain cleaner. This is approximately 217 rupees. We just bought it like a few hours ago. And this is a brush for cleaning the dirt on the chain. And coming to the most important thing, a G-roller. So this is a G-roller. So this is very useful for these kind of bikes because this doesn't have a center stand. So you can't carry a paddock stand wherever you go, right? So this is very compact. This is like half kilogram. You just put it in your bag or anywhere. And let me show it to you. So this is a G-roller. So what you have to do is you have to place this under the back tire, and your back tire is now free to rotate on the side stand. So let's get started. So you see the G-roller, right? Just place it in front of the tire and position it correctly such that your tire is like completely on it. Okay? And get it off the stand and move the bike a little bit forward. So that is it. Now your bike is on the G-roller. So let me show you rotating the wheel. Can you see that? So now let's start the lubing process. So guys, the first thing we have to do is clean the chain with the chain cleaner. So this is how you clean it. Done.